Hi everyone, this is Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. Hi if you're new here. I almost didn't do a voiceover today because my voice is just coming back again. We've had some pretty gnarly weather down my way and it is really affecting my allergies. Anyways, just so you know up front that my voice is going to sound odd. I am using the Happy Homes kit. I am loving this kit. I do have the new kit and there will be an unboxing on my channel here in a little while. But I am still playing with the Happy Homes kit as well. I am doing a layout that if you've been on my channel before, you'll have seen. It's really simple, really easy. It's just fun to add embellishments to. I'm just doing some strips on my layout and I'm actually using a colored background this time. So I'm roughing up these strips of paper, leaving the top one that I'm tucking underneath not roughed up. But I'm going to go ahead and stick these down because I know I'm going to use this. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm scrapbooking a picture of me and my kids from a carnival we went to. This is just two of my kiddos. But we had went to a carnival. It was a blast. We're actually sitting inside these big, they're either teddy bears or dogs. I'm not quite sure, to be honest. And you spin yourself around in circles. It was so much fun. And that's what we were in. And, yeah, so we had a blast with it. I have the cards and I use one of the Project Life cards that you can get from Mercy Tiara now. And this one has like the people, the places, the details and everything. And I use one of those because I think it would be a, really easy way to journal. It's already got the little prompts and it gives you a place to fill it in. So I also use one of the 4x6 ones as a layer behind my photo. It's really light, but it is a gridded one. And then I'm also using this 3x4 one to the right of my photo where it looks like it's a frame. I guess technically it can still be used as a frame, but I'm putting stuff on it and embellishing. So I like using this every once in a while, just the strips on a paper and then just embellishing in a different way. I like that. It's fun. It's easy. And I like the way it looks and it uses more pattern. And I like the pattern paper. I like being able to use a bunch of it, especially when I can get it to work really nicely together. So that's what I decided to do. I'm, of course, going to use one of these gorgeous wax seals that comes with the kit. I tried to use both of them, and then I decided against it. I used that other one on a different layout. But I also used one of the glassine bags that came with stuff in it in the kit, and I put my journaling card in that and tucked it behind my photo. That way everybody else doesn't have to see my journaling, my horrible handwriting, but they can pull it out and my kids can see it if they'd like to. I went ahead and pulled these stickers off the 12x12 sticker sheet and run them across the back of my hand to remove some of the sticky so I can move them around. And then continued placing things because I did a ton of fussy cutting. And then I also ran one of the papers through my Sizzix multiple times to get some more leaves. And so I'm going to start gluing those down. Like I said, really simple layout. I just did a little bit of layering, roughing things up, and then just going ahead and playing with the embellishments. And I do really love the way this turned out. It made it to where there's a cute little focus and everything. Here I'm going to pop up my word life for my title, and it says life is better together. So I don't know, to me it was just fun. It's a cute little picture. The smiles aren't completely genuine because they weren't quite sure what to expect because it was their first time on something like this. So there's a tight lip smile and kind of a forced smile there, looked like a little bit, but afterwards they had so much fun and we went back on this ride and we went on so many other ones. It was so much fun. I kind of wish I could have got some pictures on the slingshot as well because their faces were hilarious, but with us being moved around as much as we were, it was not something that I was capable of doing. I think if I would have took my phone out, it would have probably got thrown. But I went ahead and grabbed another sticker from the sticker sheet. Oh, and there's the puffy sticker. It does not stay there. I really only use one puffy sticker. But I grab a couple of these little pendants from the sticker sheet, and I do swap them around. I put the yellow one up top, the florals, those little puffy stickers are still not going to stay where they're at. But I'm adding some more glue just to make sure things stick down. I added some underneath that yellow pennant up at the top, and I'm going to use this one down at the bottom. It's kind of going to hide behind some of the leaves a little bit. Oh, not that one. That one moves. That is actually where it stays this time. And I added some glue to make sure that they did stay. I'm going to grab this lighter color one and stick it down here behind the leaves. And that one is going to stay there. So, let's see, what else am I looking for? Oh, the sequins. Oh, I love the confetti mix. And I just kind of pour it in my hand and just sprinkle it on the layout. And where they fall, they fall. And that is where they're going to get glued down. So I don't necessarily make you watch all of it. I don't believe. I think I cut a lot of that out of there. Oh, Lord, maybe I didn't. Oh, I did. Okay, so I don't make you watch me stick it all down. I do love that confetti mix. It is so stinking gorgeous. I always love the confetti mix. And I decide I'm just going to grab my fine liner here and I'm going to add some just black lines around the side. I'm going to do a double line and mess it up. I always do. But I just figured I would do that on the very outside. I'm not going to do it on all the pieces since I've already stuck everything down and everything. Sometimes I don't like to. Sometimes I like to just do it around the outside. And that will finish this layout. So I really do hope that you enjoyed this. Make sure to come back for the unboxing of the new kit. It's absolutely gorgeous as well. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't so that you're notified when I upload again. And make sure to check out the links below and join the Mercy Tiara Facebook group. Have a great day. Bye.